how to open app switcher with AssistiveTouch on the iPhone 16 series. So in order for you to use this feature, you need to first turn on the AssistiveTouch. To do so, first go into settings from the home screen. Now in settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, we go down and then tap on touch. Then tap on AssistiveTouch. Now in here, tap on the AssistiveTouch toggle button to turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can now swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, if you want to open up the app switcher, you can tap on the AssistiveTouch round button right here. Then tap on device. Next, tap on more. And from here, you can tap on app switcher, and this will open up the app switcher for you. Right here. Device, more, and app switcher. So that is very similar to you swiping up at the bottom to open up the app switcher. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.